Loves, we are going from natural to relaxed today. Welcome back to my channel and thank you guys for tuning in today. Today my client decided to relax her hair after 7 months of being natural. She said no growth and also it's stressful for her to maintain, and it's okay to relax your hair because you can also keep a healthy relaxed hair. First step is to part her hair into 3 sections since her hair is not that long, and after that we'll just protect her hairline with local shea butter, which is also known as ori in Nigeria. Excuse my stylist for not wearing gloves, reasons is best known to her, so don't come for me in this comment section below. After that we'll mix the relaxer, and this relaxer is called Mega Growth. It's usually nice for people that really wants to turn from natural to relax. Apply the relaxer on her hair using either a brush, applicator or a comb, and while applying avoid the front part of the hair because it's a soft delicate part that you do not want to over process, and also avoid the ears. Let's all take
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always.
The relaxer process for about 10 minutes or less because relaxer process very fast, so you do not want to keep the relaxer there for too long.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
So the next step is to wash the hair with neutralizing shampoo and lukewarm water. This neutralizing shampoo helps to wash off all the relaxers, and then you deep condition the hair. This process helps to restore the pH balance of the hair.
Never be alone, Savannah.
Next step is to use a blow dryer to dry the hair, and then apply the same local shea butter I used in the beginning and Emmy Millionaire hair treatment on her hair. Then continue blow drying the hair until there's no moisture.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. Beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you were able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Subscribe if you haven't and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.